Good morning, folks, and welcome back to the Slush Coast. Today we're working with Whitetail Resort located in Mercersburg, Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. We're looking at 935 feet of vertical, which is a pretty high amount. Unfortunately, Whitetail this season has been dealing with some unforeseen circumstances. I believe they experienced a pipe or a part malfunction right at the point when the weather warmed up and a bunch of rainfall hit the mid-Atlantic. It really decimated their base. So today we're only looking at 4 open trails. And in fact, when I woke up this morning, Whitetail put out an alert saying that this was going to be the final weekend here in February for them. So it's a little sad that they're closing early. We're finally getting out to Whitetail. I am so excited to finally get to one of my favorite local mountains. Regardless of the conditions, regardless of how many trails are open, we are ready to go shred at Whitetail. We're gonna take it easy on one of my favorite places, so we're not gonna knock you to the back like Macedon is right now. Excited to get on the hill, looking forward to today, giving it a shred score, and let's get ripping. Welcome to Whitetail Mountain, folks. Mudsliding today, not skiing. That's what it's all about. Woo-hoo! Well, we're all wrapped up here at Whitetail Resort in Mercersburg, Pennsylvania, and what a day it was. It was a mixture of the slush and ice coast. If I were to rate today's session, I would say that it was about a 2.1. I'm going to go ahead and say it's a 3.3, a tie with Wisp. That's just the kind of season it's been on the Mid-Atlantic. You know, smile's still on my face for sure. It was wild out there. It was honestly pretty unsafe, so we got off the slope pretty early. Got out here anyways. I woke up this morning, they said that they were going to be closing this weekend. So Whitetail, you know I've been looking at you all year here, so we had to come. We had to be here today. We are so blessed to be here today, that's for sure. Appreciate y'all tuning in, checking out these Mid-Atlantic videos. It's been quite the ride. We're going to continue it on as much as we can, you know, as much as the snow allows. Next time I see you, should be a good time. And I'll see you all then.